Here we have our chicken wings. As you can see, they're all together. See, the little drumstick is still connected. And what we're going to be doing now is we are going to be seasoning this with some corn mix grill mesquite. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I am also going to be using some pepper and of course salt. That's it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take these to the grill them, and then we're going to add our barbecue sauce. Let's season these up and then head to the grill. Our chicken wings, and now we are going to take them over to the grill. They're all nice and seasoned. I think I have about 12 here, and remember, these are all whole. Okay, so we are going to take these to the grill. Clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna go from there. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Alright guys, check out my other videos. If you like them, subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. I will see you on the next one. And don't forget to be yourself and stay true to yourself. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Alright guys, see y'all. Bye. Take 3. Delicious. No, it's good. Try it out.